now that it's a little cooler outside and not quite so bright, I'm going to go ahead and swap this out for the wood, which will look mucho better, I think anyway. Even though it's got the gray interior, I think the wood will still look nice with it over the tan. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and pop these guys up. I know they're just clipped in there, so luckily I've got a trim puller here, which makes this miraculously much easier. And then let's then to remove these components like this guy, you've just got to squeeze these 4 clips on the sides. There's 2 on each side. Just need to be squeezed in, and then the whole thing pushes up and out. And then for the window switches, you actually have to have a screwdriver, which I will need to run and grab real quick. So I will be right back. And then right here, there's 4 more clips that need to be pushed in and up, which is kind of a pain in the ass. It's very much doable. And then it finally, after finagling, comes out of there. We'll go ahead and drop our mirror adjustment back in place. And there you have it. Looks pretty good. Go ahead and finish this up here. Just clip the harnesses back in. And the whole thing just slides back down in place, and puts right on in. Bravo. There's wood. I think it looks fan-freaking-tastic in there. Especially considering I paid $15 for 3 of the 4. Yeah, muy excelente. We'll go ahead and swap it out this side. And we'll do one of the back doors. I haven't figured out which one yet. Probably the driver's side, just because I like the driver's side better anyway. up front. And then I got this one guy a little back here in the rear. And just as with the fronts, you know, it's just a couple of clips, and you know, they're just gonna pop right back into place. It's nothing drastic. Just pop them in, pop them out. They look real good. I'll be stoked to track down one more of these guys for the lowly rear passenger side. And then we'll have 4 of those. Might see if I can track down the other interior bits to start matching them slowly but surely. Just as kind of as I can come into them. I'm not pushing to, you know, get it done super fast or anything like that. Taking my time with this truck. Trying to just make sure I do everything the right way. I really don't want to screw it up or mess with it too much. Other than, you know, some modifications. I mean, it's not going to stay stock, but it's not going too outrageous. Definitely need a new steering wheel. I hate this 3-spoke or 2-spoke, I guess. Yeah. I want the one with 4. It just looks nicer to me. Although this one is leather, which is nice.